Hello everyone. So we are representing Renu Factory Automation at the Automation Expo 2025, and we had been eagerly looking forward to this event and all the dignitaries that we would be meeting. And so far the experience has been great, and we are looking to even more today and tomorrow. And obviously, Automation Expo, one of the biggest events in the field of automation across Asia. So there's no need to elaborate more on the kind of opportunities for B2B meetups that we were expecting, and this year has been no different. So we have been getting a lot of leads, a lot of inquiries, and a lot of exposure to all the different and upcoming industries in the industrial automation sector. So the experience has been great, and we will definitely be seeing you this year as well as next year. Thank you so much.